Thailand, one of the most visited places in Southeast Asia. When I went there last 2018, I realized that Thailand is more than just the Buddhas. They are more than just the temples. They also have historical sites like the Death Railway. The Death Railway is located at the Kanchanaburi in the west of Thailand. Originally, this was called the Thailand-Burma Railway. It was built during the Second World War. It earned its nickname the Death Railway because over 100,000 workers died during its 16-month construction. Here we go, and as you can see, this railway is made of stone, wood, and iron. And when you're inside the train, you'll hear a squeaky sound. It's quite scary, but I think we'll be just fine. So thank you for watching, and that's our quick tour to Kanchanaburi Death Railway. Sawadee ka!